Guys, my dad has been snoring for like the past 5 minutes now. Shout out to Ninja Place too. It's like midnight now.
It's 11:53.
Yeah.
Or sorry, it's 12:53 where we are though.
Wait, no, it's not 12:53.
No, it is 12:53 where we are. Yeah.
Your watch is wrong. On my phone it said 11:53.
Well, yeah, because your phone didn't change, but the time here is actually.
No, because we're in Alberta, dog.
No, it's different here.
It isn't.
I'm pretty sure it is, but okay.
It's not. Anyways, yeah, shout out to me and Ninja Place. Subscribe to both of us. Bro, my dad has been snoring so loud, but see ya, guys.